This video provides examples on how to format an Excel spreadsheet to organize, calculate, and analyze expenses. Format the cells and text. Select all cells. Select font style and size. Adjust column width. Indent the following cells. Select the cells. Click Fill Bucket. Select Color. Click the cell below to the values you want to add. AutoSum will automatically create a formula that adds the values of an adjacent column. The expense tracking sheet has been formatted. Create a pie chart. Click the Insert tab and click the Pie button. A blank chart will appear. Click and drag the blank chart to the right. Click the Select Data. A dialog box will appear. In Chart Data Range, select cells D4 through D11. Click the Edit button in the horizontal axis Labels column on the right. Select cells A4 through A11 and press OK. Click the Edit button in the left column, type in Expenses. The chart has been formatted and will display the amount spent in each category as a percentage of the total.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.